The Beauty Blueprint 2025. What's in, what's out, and what really works. Welcome to a new era of beauty, where the focus has shifted from perfection to expression, from filters to features, and from trends to truths. As we step into 2025, the beauty industry is witnessing an exciting transformation that prioritizes individuality, sustainability, and science-backed skincare. Whether you're a minimalist, maximalist, or somewhere in between, these top trends and philosophies are redefining how we think about beauty. Let's dive deep into the evolving landscape of modern beauty and explore what's shaping your look this year. Glazed skin is the new glow up. Glass skin is out. Glazed skin is in. Instead of layering 10 products for that glassy effect, today's skincare fans are opting for simpler, moisture-rich routines that promote long-term health over short-term shine. The look: dewy, luminous, and buttery soft. The hero products: ceramide-packed moisturizers, nourishing face oils, and multi-peptide serums. Dermatologists in 2025 emphasize the power of skin barrier repair. With pollution, blue light, and stress damaging our complexions more than ever, barrier-focused beauty is no longer a luxury. It's the standard. Skincare routines are becoming hyper-personalized thanks to AI-based skin scanning apps and virtual consultations. You upload a photo, get a read on your hydration, pigmentation, and even stress lines, and then receive a tailored plan. No more guessing, no more hype, just what your skin really needs. This means fewer products in your cabinet, but more results in the mirror. Remember, glazed skin doesn't reflect light, it radiates health. Bold brows are evolving. Again, goodbye laminated slugs, hello soft structure. Inspired by early 2000s icons, but blended with today's love for authenticity. Tinted brow gels with growth serums, micro-feathering techniques, and flexible hold waxes are taking over vanities everywhere. Influencers are trading in extreme lifts and harsh tails for something more expressive. The new brow trend doesn't just frame your face, it tells your story. From feathered arches that soften sharp bone structures to fuller brows that convey confidence and calm, the brows of 2025 are less of a trend and more of a personal signature. The return of brow storytelling is also pushing forward natural shades. Cool taupe, neutral chestnut, and gray-toned brow tints are replacing the heavy black stencils of the past. Whether you're growing them out or filling them in, the keyword this year is harmony, not drama. Color is having a soft power moment. If 2024 was about dopamine glam and neon nostalgia, 2025 is about muted vibrance. Think rose latte eyeshadow, burnt coral lips, and olive-tinged nude blushes. These shades flatter all skin tones and pair seamlessly with natural lighting setups, making them ideal for virtual meetings, casual hangouts, and content creation. The rise of photo-hybrid makeup, products designed to look good both on camera and in real life, is reshaping cosmetic lines. Cream-based products dominate this new aesthetic. Blushes that double as lip tints, creamy bronzers that give a lit-from-within shadow, and dewy highlighters that melt into your skin like second nature. These aren't theatrical, they're transformative. The new beauty palette isn't shouting, it's whispering, with elegance. And yes, eye art remains, but instead of geometric liner, think watercolor smudges in earthy tones or metallic sheens in emerald and sapphire. Subtle expression is the new rebellion. It's not about making a statement, it's about becoming one. Minimalism meets max impact hair. Hair in 2025 is all about strategic minimalism. It's not about doing less, it's about doing better. The biggest shift? A return to low-maintenance, high-payoff styles. Enter the clean-cut bob, air-dried waves, and crown-layered curls. These looks aren't polished. They're polished enough. Healthy scalp routines are booming, with pre-wash oiling, gentle exfoliators, and biome-balancing shampoos leading the charge. Hair health is skin health now. And just like skin, it's personalized. You don't just choose shampoo for your hair type anymore. You choose it based on your environment, stress levels, and lifestyle. Color-wise, high-shine brunettes, copper golds, and low-contrast balayage are trending. The loud fashion shades of the past few years have faded in favor of timeless hues with dimension. And accessories, minimal. A single mother-of-pearl clip or silk headband is all it takes to crown a great cut. Beauty in 2025 isn't about trying hard. It's about choosing wisely.